Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial provides actionable steps to help you optimize your store's loading times and improve your speed score. How to increase Shopify store speed. Images can significantly slow down your website if not optimized. Ensure your images are not larger than necessary. Aim for dimensions that fit your design. Use JPEG for photographs and PNG for graphics with fewer colors. Also, your choice of theme can impact loading speed. Let's head over to your online store and go to Themes section right here. Choose a theme that is minimal and professional. Uninstall any apps that you are not using, as they can add unnecessary code and slow down your site. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.